How to use ChatGPT application. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will tell you how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you need to go and open your ChatGPT, but before, go to your Play Store or App Store and upload it. ChatGPT, as you can see here. When you upload it, just open it, and here has how you can use it. It's very easy. For example, I will say, hello, what is the capital of Romania? And as you see, the capital of Romania is Bucharest, and that's it, guys. You come here on this three line. Here also you can go to your settings, add a new chat, come to your history, and that's it. So guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing our channel. See you in another video.